JustETF app. The pros, the cons. JustETF is designed to simplify ETF investing, but how does it compare to other platforms? Starting with the pros. First, extensive ETF database. Investors can screen thousands of ETFs by region, sector, or performance metrics. Second, portfolio tracking. You can monitor your ETF investments, see allocations, and evaluate performance over time. Third, educational tools. JustETF provides guides, comparison tools, and tutorials to help both beginners and experienced investors. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited trading. JustETF is primarily a research and tracking tool, so actual trade execution requires linking to a broker. Another drawback is complexity for beginners. The wealth of information can be overwhelming without prior knowledge. The surprising truth? Most people underestimate research before investing. JustETF demonstrates that proper ETF analysis can improve diversification and long-term results. In conclusion, the pros: comprehensive database, tracking, and education make JustETF a powerful research tool for ETF investors. The cons: limited trading and learning curve mean it's best paired with a brokerage for actual execution.